There was a girl named Hiba. Smart, kind, caring, but she carried something she never said out loud. She felt jealous easily. Not in a dramatic way. Not out of hatred. It was subtle, quiet, the kind of jealousy that doesn't show on the face but quietly eats the heart from inside. Whenever she saw her friends achieving something, new job, new clothes, new car, new proposal, she smiled, congratulated them, and then went home feeling a knot inside her chest. She hated that feeling. She didn't want to be like that. She wasn't a bad person, she just didn't know how to control the sudden sting of comparison. One day, at a small family gathering, her cousin announced her engagement. Everyone clapped, hugged, celebrated. Hiba smiled too, but her stomach twisted. A tiny thought whispered, "Why not me? What's wrong with me?" That night she cried alone, not because someone else found happiness, but because she hated the ugly feeling jealousy created inside her. She whispered, "Ya Allah, why do I feel like this? I'm not a bad person, so why can't I be genuinely happy for others?" Here's the psychological twist. Hiba started observing something about herself. Every time she felt jealous, it wasn't actually about the other person. It was about her own fear. Jealousy wasn't saying, "I don't want them to have this." It was saying, "I'm scared I'll never have it. I'm scared I'm not good enough. I'm scared I'll be left behind." The jealousy wasn't toward others. It was actually a reflection of her own deep insecurities. Once she understood that, her feelings changed. She didn't try to fight jealousy. She tried to heal the fear underneath it. Every time she felt jealous, she said a small dua quietly, not for herself, but for the person she felt jealous of. "Ya Allah, bless her even more, and if something good is written for me, bring it in the right time." At first, it felt forced. But slowly, something strange happened. The knot in her chest didn't feel tight anymore. The inner sting became softer. She started feeling genuinely happy for people again. Not because her life became perfect. Not because she suddenly achieved everything. But because she finally understood, jealousy doesn't mean you're bad. It means your heart is overwhelmed, and needs reassurance, not punishment. We all feel jealousy. Even the most loving people. But jealousy becomes dangerous only when you deny it instead of understanding it. And sometimes, the most powerful way to destroy jealousy is to make dua for the one who triggered it. Not for them, but for your own heart. If this story touched your heart, take a moment to breathe, reflect on your own journey, and if you'd like more stories that heal the soul and help you understand yourself better, subscribe and join this little corner of peace. Your support means more than you know.